Hi, Carey. This is Sharon. So, to follow through on the guidance that you gave me regarding SPSS, what I did was I did a transform and simply a compute variable. And what I called my variable, for instance, is diff, as in difference. I'm just doing it on the agentic careers. And what I did was I took the post agentic careers, which is this variable. So that's the after the intervention. And I subtracted out the pre agentic careers so that I can determine if there is a difference that is showing. Also, what I did was I did do a data and I did do the split because I did do the split by gender. So that is, it was already set by gender. So what I did then was I did an analyze and I did a descriptive statistics crosstabs. And I did a crosstabs on what is your gender and the diff variable. Okay, so I already ran this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you my output. And it's interesting. So post minus pre for several of the girls was a negative. So they had stronger leanings toward agentic careers before they started the intervention. And then by subtracting those two variables, I got a negative number for the females. So there's 4 females. The others were in a little bit of a difference of a third, approximately a third or 2/3 up. There was one that was more, almost a point. But it's interesting that the boys did not have any negative responses to the agentic. They were all on the positive side. It also, at the same time, gave me chi-square tests. So I still do not think that this gives me any significance that I can talk about in my chapter 5. And then the symmetric measures, I'm really not sure as to how to read that. There were 17 valid cases. So what I believe I am showing is that by doing just simply a simple calculation of those two variables, and I took the post minus the pre. So before I did all the variables, I wanted to make sure that I was on the right track, and I just wanted to do a screencast so that I can record what I did rather than scheduling a whole meeting with you because I know you're very busy. I just wanted to show you this to make sure that I was on the right track. So when you get a moment, I'll email you with this, and then we can see if I'm on the right track. Then I will do it to the rest of the variables, which are the STEM attitudes, and then the attitudes, the chunks of math, engineering and technology, science, and 21st century skills to see the diff there. I just wanted to make sure that I did the calculation correctly, which is simply a subtraction. There isn't anything more magic about the calculation as I had understood it from your email. So thanks so much.